Your AI code is garbage until you build this guardrail system. The gap between a successful LLM prompt response and production-grade software is not the prompt itself. It's the validation layer. Most developers treat the LLM as a magic genie that just spits out perfection. That's costing you time, resources, and introduces critical vulnerabilities. To operationalize AI coding responsibly, you must treat it like a draft. And every draft needs rigorous quality control checkpoints. This checkpointing system is your guardrail. It's a pipeline that takes the raw LLM output and subjects it to automated scrutiny before it ever touches your code base. The first gate is static analysis. We run linters and automated security scanners against the generated code, catching syntax errors, style guide violations, and obvious injection flaws. If the code passes basic syntax checks, we move to the deeper dive, dependency tree mapping and complexity analysis. Here, we're not just checking if it runs, we're asking, does this code solve the problem efficiently? Is there a simpler algorithm? This is where the AI shifts from being a coder to being an architectural consultant. It pushes back on its own drafts. But theoretical correctness isn't enough. We need dynamic proof. The next stage is integration testing. We don't just run the code, we automatically generate unit tests based on the original requirements and edge cases missed by the initial prompt. The execution environment is critical. It must simulate production load, network latency, database timeouts, and concurrent users. Only when the code survives simulated failure states, it's robust. It's resilient. It's ready for the human layer. And that brings us to the most crucial part, the human in the loop. The human doesn't debug the LLM. They don't write boilerplate code. Their job is to validate the test suite, approve the architectural choice, and refine the high-level requirements. This feedback loop, where the human approves the system asterisk, not just the line of code, is how you scale from a hobby project to a production entity. By structuring your process this way, you transform the LLM from a coding assistant into an extremely fast, low-cost pair programmer. You are no longer wasting precious cycles fixing the LLM's inevitable flaws. You are orchestrating a sophisticated, self-correcting system. If you want to dive deeper into the actual implementation of this validation layer, check the description below for the full repository link. Stop accepting drafts. Start demanding production quality.